This is how to assemble the Latt children's table and chairs from Ikea. First we'll open the box, and then we'll look what's in the box, and then we'll put it all together. It's often handy with these Ikea assembly jobs to separate out the component parts. And so in this case I've put all the parts for the chairs, which I'm going to do as the second stage of this assembly job. I've put all those over to one side. And here are the parts for all the table assembly. I've got a dish with all my parts in it. And the only tools you need, in theory, are an Allen key that comes with the bag of parts and a hammer. You just want a small hammer. But there's one other thing I'm going to use, because this is put together using these bolts. They're quite a long winding when you're using this thing. And so I've got my cordless drill set up with the right size of Allen key in the fitting. I've set the speed to slow, and I've set the clutch on the screwdriver part of it to fire off fairly early. I don't want to wind these in too tight. I'll do that using the Allen key. Now when you look at the parts for the table, you can lay them all that way up with the slot all one way up. And if you put that round the other way, you now know that that slot has got to line up with that side, like that. And that slot's got to line up with that side. It just helps you with the orientation. Each of these parts has got two holes in it. One hole is going to have one of these wooden pegs in, and you can actually push that home. In both ends. And the other hole, you'll notice, has the hole for the screw nuts here. And that's the hole where the bolt is going to come through and fix the assembly. So the first job, locate 4 of these wooden pegs in the holes. And sometimes you need to tap them in. Sometimes they simply pushing. Oh yeah, look. Okay. So there they are, the Latt kiddies table and chairs. I know my grandchildren are going to love these, and they're really easy to assemble. If you're going to use a cordless drill to tighten up the bolts, do make sure that you turn down the ratchet on your screw settings. If you don't know how to do that, don't use one of these, just do it with the Allen key supplied by Ikea. It's perfectly okay, it'll work, it'll just be a little bit slower. As I say, it's easy to assemble, the instructions are pretty clear, and I think these are lovely. I'm really looking forward to kneeling down here playing with the grandchildren. Thank you for watching. I hope this is of some use to you. If it is, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more assembly jobs of IKEA furniture and what have you, and product reviews and tool reviews and stone crafting ideas, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.